Imagine transforming your boring walls into a masterpiece with just one material. PVC wall panels are the game changer you never knew you needed. From luxurious marble textures to sleek modern finishes, they offer affordability, style, and durability, all in one. And guess what? You don't need a designer to create a high-end look at home. Stick around because I'm revealing 100 stunning PVC wall panel designs that will completely redefine your interior spaces. Let's get started. PVC wall panels are revolutionizing home decor in 2025. Whether you want a rustic wooden charm, a sleek industrial vibe, or a bold artistic statement, there's a PVC panel design for you. In this video, we'll explore the latest trending PVC wall designs, the best textures, colors, and patterns, pro tips for installation and styling, and smart hacks to elevate your home interior. PVC wall panels come in different styles, but which one is right for you? Here are the top trends for 2025. Glossy monochrome panels are perfect for modern minimalists. Seamless, reflective surfaces amplify light and add a luxurious touch. If you prefer a calming natural feel, go for organic wood-grain PVC planks, ideal for bedrooms and living spaces. For those who love an urban industrial look, concrete finish or metallic PVC panels make a bold statement. And if you want something trendy and playful, experiment with geometric patterns, textured finishes, or a mix of colors to create a one-of-a-kind wall design. Even the most beautiful PVC panels won't shine if installed incorrectly. The first step is proper preparation. A smooth, clean surface is key. Remove old paint, nails, or uneven patches before installation. Next, consider strategic lighting. LED strips along panel edges or behind floating shelves can enhance textures and patterns, making your space look professionally designed. To create a high-end look, combine PVC with brass trims, reclaimed wood, or mirrored strips for added contrast. You can even use paintable PVC panels as a creative backdrop for murals, decals, or hidden storage. Color plays a huge role in home interiors, and PVC wall panel designs in 2025 are all about bold and elegant shades. Deep emerald and navy are perfect for creating luxurious, high-end decor. Pair them with gold fixtures for a sophisticated touch. If you love retro aesthetics, go bold with Taza-patterned PVC in peach and mint hues. For a sleek, modern feel, layer different shades of gray, mixing glossy and matte finishes. And for those who love texture, faux brick, stone, or concrete panels add depth and character to any space. One of the biggest perks of PVC wall panels is their low maintenance. For daily cleaning, simply use a microfiber cloth to wipe off dust, and for stains, mild soap with water works best. Avoid abrasive cleaners, as they can dull glossy finishes. If you want to refresh your PVC walls, swap out vinyl decals or repaint if you're using paintable PVC. Plus, for an eco-friendly approach, opt for recycled PVC materials and low VOC adhesives to ensure better indoor air quality. Who said PVC is boring? Imagine a midnight blue lacquered PVC wall, glowing under pendant lights, or a cozy bedroom with pastel 3D cloud panels. PVC wall panels